AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA fundamentally is as of now at $0 in exceptionally significant manner. AMP fundamentally faces medium-term opposition at $0 a very significant manner. AMP records extremely descending development today, or so they really thought. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these. Much of the time really got clarification on pressing issues. What basically is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for AMP, especially as AMP an essentially wise venture, or so they especially thought. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which fundamentally is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, all things considered, let us by and large discussion about the really current economic situations. So the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost investigation for now or for kind of the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is for the most part transient cost expectation for AMP, for the most part is AMP a very wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $150,973,041,636 in an unpretentious manner. The very complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $33,001,951,281 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, really in spite of mainstream thinking, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%. So market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $150,973,041,636, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, or so they generally thought. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, which truly shows that XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents in a genuinely huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. These occasions certainly show that the market especially is going in a by and large descending bearing for present moment, which especially is very huge. As of now, a general sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers become more dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in a significant manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants certainly become dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So AMP by and large faces medium-term opposition at $0, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of AMP. AMP execution. The cost of AMP is at $0, down 2.27% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so AMP support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is $5,028,737.00 while kind of all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 exhibiting that following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of AMP. AMP execution. The cost of AMP truly is at $0, down 2.27% in the very beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. There truly are practically 42,227,702,186 sort of are available for use out of 99,213,408,535. So AMP as of now exchanges close $0. The amount especially is as of now at $0. Or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. AMP value examination. AMP cost examination for the 29th of May 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index, moving commonly normal union and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving genuinely normal to investigate the future development of the AMP. Or so they really thought. While AMP's Williams %R marker by and large is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, exchange exceptionally signal certainly is most certainly conceivable at this reach, which explicitly shows that while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which generally is genuinely huge. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become in every practical sense, all the more extremely dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an especially enormous manner. AMP financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline, showing how similarly obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants truly become move really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so AMP explicitly faces medium-term opposition at $0 a significant manner. The primary help level for AMP certainly is at $0 the exact moment one really is at $0, showing how the main help level for AMP explicitly is at $0 the for the most part second one in every practical sense, is at $0 a by and large huge manner. While taking about opposition the AMP basically has R1 and R2 at $0, showing that following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP sort of is at $0, down 2.27% in the essentially beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so AMP support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and especially is attempting to really break out of the lack of bias zone, showing that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a really descending heading for present moment, or so they most certainly thought. AMP sort of is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to essentially suggest that the digital money really is in an unsafe circumstance that can't in a real sense be corrected, exhibiting how while AMP's Williams %R pointer all things considered is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange especially signal certainly is truly conceivable at this reach, which especially shows that while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $310.90, following a